Hello, my name is Norman Liu and I'm one of the developers of LinkEX. LinkEX came about in 2010 when London South Bank University approached us to design a CPD monitoring system. LSBU has been using LinkEX for the past 3 years now, and they're entering their 4th year using the system. I'm just going to guide you through the main features of the system. As you can see here, we've made up a fictitious university, University of Chiswick. So all the numbers or the information you'll see in this demonstration are fictitious. The system is made up of 6 key components. So right on the left hand side we have what courses your university would offer, who are your customers, i.e. your trusts or your sponsors, who are your contacts within that trust or sponsor, which departments within your university that is responsible for delivering the courses. Obviously your customers would be your students, and these would be the members of staff that are actually going to deliver the projects and courses. Right, I'm going to open up a potential trust. So I'll click on trust here. I will click on, let's have a look here. Just do a trust search. Press the binoculars button and it'll do a global search on all your customers. So these are the trusts we currently have. As you can see, all fictitious names here. I'm going to pick, let's have a look what we're getting. Let's go for London Children's Hospital, which is this one here, because it's got quite healthy numbers. Double click on that. Here is all the information regarding London Children's Hospital, where it belongs to. New for 2013 is the support for LETBs. So here you can actually select which LETB this trust belongs to, and there will be LETB reports that you can use in the future. So this system, this screen here tells you what are your commissioned students, what's the monetary value, how much have they overspent or underspent, how many people have enrolled, how many people are self-funding that have enrolled, how many bookings you received through your CPD contract, and how much value has this trust banked or swapped. And here is the key information is that they've agreed to spend a certain amount of money, and currently they are 44.82% over what they agreed to spend. Typical information here includes the address, the contact for the main trust, and a list of personnel contact. So here you can actually maintain a list of key contacts within the trust. This tab here, Notes and Meetings, allows you to record any meetings you've had with that trust, so that if you were to go to a meeting the following week, you would know what's been discussed in the previous weeks. So if I double clicked on this, it'll open up the trust meeting screen, and this is a meeting about commissions for 2012-2013. is at the Children's Hospital venue. These are the people that attended. These are the people that attended from the trust. These are the people that attended from the university, and these are notes that has been entered up. So this has been entered up on 12th of October, and this is 14th of March. If I just close that screen off, go back to the Detail tab. Here is the key contacts. So say I want to know what the email address and phone number of Pauline Jones is. Double click on her, and straight away here we got her address, we know what her email address is, we know what her phone number is, and we know what she's called, what her job title is, and which trust she works for. And here, which is quite useful, is active flag. So if she does leave, you can just tick it off, and then she will cease to exist within the system. I'll just close that. I won't save. The bottom part here gives you your original commission for the year. These are all your students, and these are the courses which London Children's Hospital has agreed to buy. So here you can also sort. So I'm going to sort by commission value. click that again, it'll sort in ascending order. So this one has got quite a big value to it, £43,000, so it's got to be quite interesting. I'll double click on this, and this will open up a course unit screen, which is similar to this tab here. So this tells you everything to do with this course, right down to what academic year, how many credits, what's the course code, how many people have been commissioned to go on this course, and what's the monetary values. This is how many has been promised, and this is how many actually arrived. So this particular course, they are accepting over 80 more students than they had planned. These are all the sessions that it runs, and these are any keynotes. This tab here tells you, if I just double click on this tab here, I can maximize the screen. So this tells you which trust has sent students on this course and what their fees are. You can even make a special case. Say this particular trust, Northampton Green Primary Care Trust, which is a made-up trust, decides that you decide to offer them a special price of £600 as opposed to the usual £806. You can just change it there, tick the tab here, special fee, and this trust then would then be charged with £600 as opposed to the usual £806. You can add your swaps here. So here you're able to add swaps when trusts decide that they've perhaps overestimated the number of students they want to send, and actually they're going to send far fewer than they promised, and they want to swap that money for something else, usually a project. So here you can record all the activity with swaps. This part here tells you which department is going to teach this particular course. So you can see here that it's split between adult nursing and midwifery, and with midwifery, 90% of it is split between these members of staff. Here is your student list. So these are the CPD students, these are the self-funding students, and these are non-QLS students, what we call students that aren't on your student records. So these are courses that you may have delivered through an open day or through a lecture at the actual hospital itself. So now if I go into the department, I can see, say, midwifery, how busy midwifery are. So if I double click on midwifery, this tells me straight away here that this faculty of the department of midwifery has been commissioned £40,000 of income. They've received 51,000, so they're 28% over what they've been promised. So this gives you a good indication of department performance. These are all the courses that midwifery is responsible for. Anytime I can just double click on this and it'll open up the particular course, such as so, and you can see which courses are open, which departments are open, so you can have multiple screens open at any time. These are the members of staff that teach within the course. So here we see Ruby Turner here is responsible for 16.3 credits. Ruby teaches these courses. And to find out what 16.3 actually means in monetary values, you can open up Ruby Turner's profile, and here you can see what her exact costs are. Obviously this part of the system is optional. Some of our clients use it, some of our clients don't. Close that. Close that. If I just close your screen here. Another useful feature is that when you're doing a search on a trust search here, he also gives you values in how much they've spent, how many bookings, how much commissions you have. So here you can have a quick look at who are your key customers. So by clicking on the commission tab here, you know that North East London PCT is your biggest customer with 367,000, which is 14% of your total commission. So these are your key customers. If I just close that. So this is just a brief run through of what LinkEX does, and hopefully you found it useful. There is a second video of the reporting capabilities of LinkEX. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.